What up though folks, my name is Devin Harris with What Up Though Tech, and today I'm going to fix an iPhone 6 screen. It's an extremely easy and quick process. Once you've done it once or twice, let me warn you, it's not for the impatient. Please, please, please don't do this if you can't handle tedious things. A few quick notes that you'll see in the repair. I started working on the device before shooting, so there were a couple things that I jumped over. One being the first silver plate, including the 5 little screws before you pop off the ribbons, which of course disconnects the phone from the base. 2 being the initial home button removal. Of course, I couldn't do this on the repair today because fortunately, it was missing, so I had to skip over that part. But you'll see me reattach it on the device later in the video. Like I said, guys, this is an extremely easy and quick process once you get the hang of it. Be gentle and keep a good eye on the screws. Trust me, you'll thank me in the end for that. And there you have it, guys. A quick and simple iPhone screen repair. Like the video if it helped. Comment and share the wealth. Remember to visit whatupthoughtech.com for a list of our services, portfolio, and blog.